Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining in again, and as always, please consider subscribing and leave a thumbs up below. So for today's video guys, I will unboxing the Clapton backpack from Louis Vuitton, and I am so excited to show it to you guys. So I've already opened this box before, so it's not like blind reaction for this bag. So before I open this box, a little backstory about this. My husband ordered this for me as anniversary gift. Yeah, I really love the paper bag and the box that comes in, and this is my third one actually. I'm gonna try to open this nicely so I don't break anything. So this is the box that comes into this paper bag. Yeah, and for this we have the ribbon. I don't know how to put it back, so I just put it again. So this is the content, and there's a receipt here, and like the 21 my husband ordered online, so they give us the card and the exchange return, something like that. And yeah, I think I can do something like that too. And then if you want to return it, you can send it back to them. These are return same for the boxes. You want to put it mail. So yeah. And the receipt, there's a receipt here. And so yeah, this is a nice box. So this is the box. Now I'm gonna open it, and this is how it looked like in the inside. It comes with the desk bag, and this is the bag. Wow! So as you guys can see, it's the perfect size, not too big and not too little, and I really like the color. This cute cream or light brown, it's really nice. And the handle have a logo here, and the same thing in the metal here. And yeah, this is the front of the bag, this is the side, and this is the back, and this is the bottom. And in the inside, you're gonna push this. Push this, so you can open it. And here, there is a magnet here on the side. So when you push it like that, it plops like that. And in the inside, there is a big packet here. And another cool thing about this bag is that it comes with two straps, which makes it a lot more versatile and can be carried multiple different ways. So yeah, I really like it. Yep, and this is the bag, and there's a logo here also in the inside, if you can see it. And when I didn't remove the sticker yet because I don't want to scratch it. I don't want to scratch the metal, that's why I didn't remove it yet. And yeah, I really like it. This is a nice bag. I definitely gonna be using this bag a lot during this year's spring and summer. It's a perfect bag to use in this season. So I'll show it to you guys, those different ways how to use the strap in it. using this bag a lot during these years, spring and summer. I think this is a perfect bag to use in this season. So yeah, that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for the support and patience of waiting for this video, and I had fun making it, and I hope all you guys are staying safe during this pandemic. And as always, I'll see you all guys on my next video. Bye!